Hi, I'm Greg and welcome to the Timeless Travelers. A little bit about myself. I've been camping since I was 6 years old, with our first family trip being to the Seven Dwarfs campground in Orlando, Florida. And as you know, life happens. You go to school, you go to work, and before you know it, camping goes to the wayside. Then, in 2009, my wife Carrie and I purchased a 2010 Jayco travel trailer, a 320 RLS, and boy, has it been fun. We've been making family trips for the last 8 or 9 years. Then in 2020, we purchased a 2017 Fleetwood Bounder 36H, which is right behind me. And what a wonderful RV. A Class A for us was the way to go. Also, what we'll be doing is discussing campground reviews, and my wife Carrie will join us later in those videos. Why I'm doing this is because of a couple of reasons. One is you can do repairs on your RV on your own. And in today's market, where there's hardly any technicians or there's any parts, you have to do it yourself if you want to get your RV back on the road. Even though you have the best warranty out there, you're going to be waiting long periods of time to get your RV serviced. So if it's something that you can do, you can do it. In these videos, we'll be discussing how to repair fogged up windows, replacing slide toppers, doing service to the roof, sealing everything, any routine maintenance that we can do, or I think that you can do it. Also, which is the nice thing about dealing with Fleetwood or Rev Group, they back their products even though it's out of warranty. You call them up, you tell them what's going on, they'll send you schematics, they'll work with you over the phone, and they'll make you feel comfortable with the issue, and you can repair it on your own. Also, what we're going to discuss, the other reason, is child-proofing your RV. I have an 11-year-old daughter, Sydney, and a 2-year-old son, Luke. And Luke likes to touch the buttons, and you all know what I mean about buttons inside an RV. His favorite thing to do is to shut off the aux battery switches. Love that when it happens. So we're going to be putting some covers on those switches so my son can't get to them. That's the only thing that is not good with RVs with children. They are not children friendly. So we're going to do the best we can to make that happen. So in our next videos, we'll be discussing how to change oil in our Owens Cumming generator. We'll be discussing how to lubricate the front end of our chassis on the F53 Ford V10. And we'll also be discussing some roof maintenance, some simple things. And then finally, because it is getting chilly, winterization. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and that little bell down below, and it'll let you know when a new video comes out. Thanks for watching, and remember, traveling is timeless.